Maxtrax Extremes aren't just handy, they're built tough to last. Now, if they can handle the sort of stuff that we put them through, they'll handle just about anything. You've seen our shows, you'll know how hard we are on gear. None more so than the old Maxtrax Extremes here. These have been used all over the country, getting myself, Graham, and a few others unstuck countless amount of times. Look closely at them and you'll see they're still perfect. The new alloy teeth aren't just great for traction, they're basically impossible to bust. You wouldn't want to do this on any other traction board or the lugs would simply melt. On the Maxtrax Extremes, it does no damage whatsoever to the alloy teeth. The Maxtrax Extremes aren't just handy, they're tough as nails and built to last. In fact, if they can handle the stuff we put them through, they'll handle anything you can do with them.
Adventures await for those who boldly leave the beaten path. For those driven toward new horizons. For those who go prepared. Because it's only when you risk going too far that you discover just how far you can get. Whatever the terrain, no matter the elements, there is one constant, one brand that you can count on to get you there and back. Introducing the all-new VR series of winches, the highest performing standard duty winches ever made. They are the fine line between a lengthy ordeal and an epic adventure. The Warn VR Evo winches feature an ultra-reliable all-bright contactor inside a relocatable control pack and a durable cast aluminum tie plate for extra strength under the stress of heavy loads. VR Evo winches also feature a state-of-the-art 2-in-1 remote with both wired and wireless control options for added ease, safety, and versatility. These rugged, extremely reliable Warn VR winches are IP68 waterproof and available in 8, 10, and 12,000 pound capacities with your choice of steel or synthetic rope. Go with Warn, you go prepared.
The trails, you need to go prepared and carry the right gear for any situation. That's why Warn offers its premium line of Epic accessories. Epic accessories are available separately or bundled into one convenient kit designed for getting you the most out of your Warn winch. The Epic Recovery Kit comes with durable gloves, load-rated shackles, snatch blocks, and a tree protector, all housed in an easy-to-carry backpack. This recovery kit puts the can-do in self-rescue. The Epic Recovery Kit is available in medium and heavy-duty configurations, so you can choose the kit that's right for your winch. The medium-duty kit is designed for winch capacities up to 12,000 pounds. It comes equipped with 2 forged 3/4 Epic shackles, a 2x8-foot Epic tree trunk protector with forged end loops, Epic snatch blocks, and a 2x30 premium recovery strap. All forged steel components are protected by an exclusive multi-layered E-coat that resists corrosion and abrasion. In addition, Warn also includes a pair of winching gloves constructed of synthetic leather with Kevlar reinforcement. It's nice when gear looks as good as it works, which is the case with this recovery kit. Everything that you see here fits neatly inside this weather-resistant, perfectly compartmentalized backpack made of ballistic material for maximum durability. This backpack can also double as a winch line dampener, and it's easy to transport. For winch capacities up to 18,000 pounds, you need the heavy-duty Epic Recovery Kit. Everything has been upgraded to work with bigger vehicles and heavier pulls. The kit includes 2 forged 3/4 Epic shackles, a heavy-duty Epic snatch block, and a 4x8 tree trunk protector. Then there's the 3x30 premium recovery strap. That extra inch of width means that the recovery strap rating jumps from 14,400 pounds to 21,600 pounds. The heavy-duty kit also includes the Warn winching gloves and backpack.
It's not just the lights that make the world's first off-road lighting brand last for 50 years. It's not the vehicles that helps guide through the night. It's the passion that drives it. The same passion that drives our family to adventure further. The KC Flex Era 3 is the next era of off-road lighting products which embody that passion. A light made by people who feel as strongly about design and performance as an artist would feel about their life's work. A light to lead the way into the next 50 years. We're not just a lighting company, we're a family. Meet our newest member, the compact and powerful KC Flex Era 3. Adventure further.
The DeWalt 20-volt Max chainsaw has a brushless motor delivering powerful performance. The 20-volt Max 5 amp-hour battery delivers extended runtime of up to 90 cuts per charge on a 4x4. The chainsaw is compact and lightweight with a 12-inch bar and chain for ease of use and handling in smaller cutting applications. The low kickback Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. With no gas to operate, it starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws, and it can be used indoors or out.
This is the Schrade SCH SH1 telescoping folding shovel. A versatile EDC shovel designed to support both outdoor and tactical communities, the SCH SH1 both folds for easy storage and telescopes to its full length of over 19 inches. With a concave shovel blade forged from rugged 1055 carbon steel with beveled, sharpened edges, the covert black tool serves as both an outdoor multi-tool as well as an instrument of self-defense. To deploy the shovel, rotate the locking collar counterclockwise, then swivel the blade to the fully open position. Lock the blade into place by turning the locking collar clockwise until the locking washer snugs. Use caution at all times as the shovel blade's edges are sharp. The handle's aluminum inner tube expands to any one of 5 positions. Use your thumbs to disengage the handle lock. Slide the molded polypropylene all-weather T-handle to the desired length and lock into position by pressing down on the Schrade logo of the handle lock. Use the SCH SH1 telescoping folding shovel to dig holes, shovel snow, and light chopping. The steel striking surface can be used to pound tent stakes. Loosen the locking collar and reposition the shovel blade at a 90-degree angle for digging furrows or scraping tree bark. To sheath, fully collapse both the handle and blade. Then slide the tool into its black nylon belt sheath where twin snaps secure the blade. Double loops on the back side of the sheath let you carry the SCH SH1 either on your belt or attached to gear. A versatile EDC and tactical shovel weighing only 2 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH SH1 telescoping folding shovel.